Lord, must be Frank Sinatra and Miss Whale. Who's that Kathy Pine? Say, gal, who is that guy?
He's a big, big man from the South. Just a big, big man from the South. He's got a big cigar in his mouth. Oh, I know that he comes from the South.
Who's that calling from the sea? Help, I'm drowning, rescue me! Where's the lifeguard? No one seems to know. Oh, Mutton crowd begins to roar. Someone's brought her safe to shore. Good Lord, it's Sally Rand without her fan. Who saved that girl within? A hero, you'll admit.